slime. So we have blue, green and red. And red and blue makes purple. So we are going to make all 5 different colors. Thank you for listening. This is how we made the slime with husk. And 1 tablespoon of husk, and then mix it with water, and then with the green, blue, and red. Thank you for listening. Today we are going to make slime, and we are going to make purple. So, I got the bowl of slime into the microwave. Now I'm going to make it bubble for everybody. You have to stop it before it explodes. What just happened to me? And this is the slime we made earlier, and it's better than just liquid. And this liquid, and it's stuck to here. Look at it. Look at it. It's a bit slimy. See? Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. We'll do another video later. Wow, the slime actually did come out good. Just look at it.